Good day everyone! In this video, we're going to show you how to make a straight through and crossover cable wiring.
And here are the materials. First, our RG45, our crimper, cutter, and stripper, and also our UTP cable. And that's all the materials we need.
Hello guys, this is how to make a straight through cable wiring. First, we get our UTP cable and RG45. So, in straight through cable wiring, we have a pattern in this. The pattern is shown here. So, let's make this. Let's follow the pattern to make the straight through cable wiring. So, in order to make the straight through cable wiring is, you need to face the RG45 like this. And not like it should be like this. So, and you need to follow the patterns to make the straight through. Then like this one, and then you should follow the other side. Make sure guys na it follow the pattern, so our straight through is functioning. And after this you need to lock it using the crimping tool. So after you lock the UTP cable, this is the result. It cannot be pulled. Even if you pull it, it should be not pulled. And you need to check it first to na nakafollow siya. And that's how to create or make straight through cable wiring. Hello guys, so let's make crossover cable wiring. So to make the crossover cable wiring, there are also a pattern to make it. So here's the pattern shown, and here are the colors. It should be one, white, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, and blue, white, brown, and brown. So, and the other side is on the straight through cable wiring. The difference in straight through and crossover is the one is like the straight, and the other is the first is white, orange, and green. So they just change it to. Then let's connect it to RG45, and just like in the straight through, I forgot to tell you that you need to check it at the here in the side. You can see that the wire is pointed at this color and bronzy. It should be like then after this you need to use the crimper tool to lock it, and after you lock it, and you need to test it, so and if it works or not. So that's it guys.